to use focus on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use focus mode on your iPhone. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your settings in your iPhone, and after that scroll down and you will be able to see the option called focus. Just simply tap on it. Over here you will be able to see some suggestive focus modes that you can use directly in your iPhone. But if you want to customize them, you need to click on them in order to customize each one of them. And if you want to add some other focus or some customized focus for yourself, so you have to click on the plus icon from the top right corner of the mobile screen. Over here, you again have some suggestive focus options that you can choose from. So we are going to create one for the mindfulness. So just simply tap on it. And now in order to customize the mindfulness focus mode on your iPhone, you need to click on customize focus. And over here you have a bunch of different options. So one by one I'm going to tell you how this customization for the focus mode happens in the iPhone. First thing first, if you're using the mindfulness focus in your iPhone, you can allow the notification from certain people and apps that will be appearing in your screen while you were on that focus mode. So you can select the people to allow the notifications from. So in order to add the people in your list, so simply tap on people. And over here, you have the option to allow notification from those people. And you can also choose to be, receiving the silent notification from them. In order to add those people in the contact in the notification center, you need to click on add icon. Now just simply select the person you want to add in that list and click on this right mark from there. And likewise, you can select as many people as you want to receive the notification from while you were in the focus mode. Likewise, you can also select the apps on which you want to get the notification while you are in a focus mode again. So you can select the application right like this and click on done, and there you have it. Now just come back over here. You can also customize the screen for the particular focus mode so that you will have the idea whenever you will open your phone at the glance that you are on a focus mode, and it will help you be focused while you are using the focus mode. So you can choose the lock screen as well as your home screen page in a certain way so that you have the reminder exactly what you're doing during that time. So click on choose in your lock screen, and you have a bunch of different options and your existing lock screen options there. You can simply select them, and you can also go ahead and choose the picture from your gallery if you want to. So for example, I'm selecting this one. Click on done, click on add from there, and click on set as wallpaper. And likewise, you can also select the home screen itself. So whatever home screen you will pick from here, that will appear as a permanent screen during when you are on that focus mode. So for example, I'm selecting this one. Click on add, and when you will scroll down, you also have the option to set a schedule. So if you have this focus turn on automatically at a set timer or location or while using a certain app, so you can add schedule according to that. And if you want to use focus filters, you can also customize how your app and device behave when you are in this focus mode. So if you want to add filters, you can open the filter mode, and you can customize app during mindfulness focus on the selected apps that will be notified when this focus mode is turned off or on. So you can select that. I'm closing it for now. So once you have customized your focus mode, in order to apply the focus mode, you need to open your control center. And after that, just long press on the empty area and click on add a control. And over here, when you will scroll down, you will see the option called focus. Just simply select this and add it into your widget. Click on the empty space again. And from here, when you will click on the focus mode, you will have a bunch of different options. And whenever you want to enable the focus mode, for example, I want to enable the mindfulness focus that I just customized for myself, you can tap on it. But if you still want to make some further changes, for example, the time and the duration of the focus mode, just simply click on the three dot icon right beside the focus mode like this. And now you have the option to customize the hours or the time duration for this focus mode to be happen. So I'm selecting for 1 hour. And once this is done, you can see that my mindfulness focus is on. And now just come back to your home screen. You can see that this is the particular home screen that I chose for the focus mode in my iPhone while customizing that focus mode. And likewise, at the top left hand side corner of the screen, you can see that the mindfulness focus mode is there. The icon is appearing right there. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to turn on focus mode on iPhone. I hope you find this video to be helpful.